Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Good. Pallavi Tiwari. Yeah, you are from which state?
Sir, I'm from Uttarakhand.
I think this is second time we are meeting or first time?
Sir, this is the first time we are meeting.
अच्छा, oh, good. अच्छा जी, आपका where are you sitting? It looks like some cave. Appears to be something interesting. Have you made some study and are sitting like?
Sir, this is my study room. Actually, we have the old rooms also. It is the ancestral वाला घर. तो यहाँ पे
Oh,
पुराने रूम
पुराना
होते हैं तो
घर
ये
है.
मिट्टी वाले घर है ये सब.
Oh,
तो आधा घर नया आधा घर पुराना है बट पढ़ने के लिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा शांति है तो पढ़ने के लिए यहाँ पे सही है.
अच्छा. That is why you are here. You know, when I
Yes,
look
sir.
at there, I think it looks like tiles, na? TILES. ऊपर
सर
में.
नॉट टाइल्स ये वो है ब्लॉक्स हैं लकड़ी के ब्लॉक्स हैं.
अच्छा, लकी के ब्लॉक्स. Oh, super.
और ये पत्थर का घर है तो इसमें अंदर पत्थर है ब्रिक्स नहीं है पत्थर वाला घर है.
Oh, good. Very good. Uttarakhand, which part of Uttarakhand?
Sir, Almora. It is near Nainital. I think you might have heard or not. I don't know.
Nainital, I have heard only through map. And Nainital. It is in hill station or what?
Sir, hill station. Almora is a proper hill station.
Hill station. Good. Nainital only you have this bank. Nainital Bank also is there, no?
Yes, sir. Nainital Bank is also here.
A subsidiary of our which bank?
Bank of Baroda.
Correct, Bank of Baroda.
Sir, I applied for it. I missed it by 0.50.
Oh, for management training.
Yes, sir. That is the PO, na? After some time they
Yeah,
become
PO.
officer. Yeah, MT.
You missed it by 0.5.
Yes, sir.
Oh, not worry. This time you can make it up in ECGC. Very nice. Did you send your CV to me? I asked for CV भेजा आपने नहीं भेजा तो कोई तकलीफ नहीं हम आपसे सुन लेंगे बाद में और एक बार भेज दीजिए और भी डिटेल्स पूछ सकते हैं अभी आपका बारे में बताइए प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ
Yes, sir. So my name is Pallavi Tiwari and I hail from Almora, which is a very beautiful hill station in Uttarakhand. I did my schooling from Almora and then for pursuing my higher education, I went to Rajasthan. From there, I did bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering. I'm a 2020 graduate and I have few hobbies like I love writing, I love storytelling. And apart from this, nowadays I'm teaching kids. It is making me financially independent and as well as that is my hobby too.
Good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is actually no more. He expired in 2014.
Oh God. What was he doing earlier?
Sir, he was in horticulture department.
Mhm.
So he was assistant development officer there.
Oh, अच्छा. What is your mother?
Sir, my mother is a homemaker.
How many siblings you have?
Sir, I have two siblings, a sister and a brother.
What are they doing?
So my sister is preparing for exams and my brother is a job holder.
Which job is he?
He's working in horticulture department.
Excellent. What is horticulture department?
Sir, horticulture department is the department that deals with the products like the flora part, especially the plant part, and deal with the fertilizers, the plants, the nursery, and the fruits.
Good. Why did you choose electronics and what is that you did study? EC,
Electronics and communication, ECE.
ECE. Why did you choose that? And how many marks did you score in that in the end?
Sir, in the end, I scored 85%. And I chose electronics engineering because at that time I was not having much guidance because at the age of 17, basically our career was decided by our family. So my cousin asked me to pursue bachelor's in electronics and communication as I was a maths student. So that was the basic reason that I pursued BTech.
Now, after completing ECE,
Yes, sir.
have you ever scolded your cousin for suggested you this area?
No,
No.
sir, I never scolded my cousin because there in engineering, I learned a lot of things that engineering is not just about 4 year study. It teaches us a lot as a person. So I'm always grateful to my cousin for bringing me such exposures.
Good. That's good. That's very nice. Uh, ECGC. Can you tell something about ECGC?
Yes, sir. Sir, ECGC is an export promotion organization. As its tagline itself says that you focus on export, we cover the risk. So it enhances the competitiveness of the export industry, and it provides various insurance credits to the exporter so that they can export without any fear.
Mm. Uh, I think, can you not tell it in still more better way? You can tell some more good points about ECGC also.
Sir, how to record? I think I should record this. मैं बाद में points note कर लेती.
This one, it is being recorded by me, and
Okay.
um, it will be posted to YouTube. And if you have objection, it will be given to you only. Depends. Jaise aapko
Okay.
subidha. It is available.
Okay, sir.
It's available for everybody to see it also. And supposing you feel others should not see me, others should not know what I am talking. If you are slightly shy, then I will give that to you only. Depends.
Okay, sir.
Let us decide about it after the interview is over. By the
Yes, sir.
time how it goes, we will come to know of it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. ECGC. What are the major functions of ECGC or their products? What are their products?
Sir, ECGC provide the export credit insurance, and it also provide the guarantees to the banks and the financial institutions.
Good. Very good. Very good. Can you name a few of their products under export credit insurance for exporter?
So for exporter, it provide the construction work policy. It is basically for the exporters that are doing the construction related work there in abroad. And apart from this, it also provide shipment policies.
Mm.
And the rest I cannot recall right
Ship,
now.
ship,
Sorry.
Shipment comprehensive risk policy,
Okay.
small exporters policy, specific shipment policy, services policy, export turnover policy, export specific buyers policy, consignment exports policy, stock holding agent. Then short-term exposure-based buyer exposure policy, IT-enabled services policy, single customer, micro exporter policy, software project policy, long-term construction. This is what you said. Construction works policy, specific policy for supply contract, specific shipment policy, SSP, specific services policy, SRC. Yeah. But however, you told very correctly that they are giving insurance coverage in the form of policies. Actually,
Okay.
how the policy system is being done, are you aware of that? If you don't know, I will tell you. The exporters, they will take a policy from ECGC and they will make all shipments that they are doing in a month. And every month they will submit a statement to ECGC along with the premium covering all the shipments made by them. Understand? So
Yes, sir.
that is how it is being done. That is one way of policy, comprehensive risk. Whereas certain other cases, specific shipment, and the company is making one special shipment to Australia, that alone they want to cover, in which case they will approach the persons connected with ECGC, get a specific policy. And incidentally, I'm just suddenly getting a doubt. Does ECGC have insurance agents similar to LIC and GIC? This sudden question doubt, I got it just now. I am in this line for so many years. but still ये तो हमको strike नहीं हुआ. थोड़ा इसका बारे
Sir,
में
I
आप.
have heard of NEIA. It is an agreement between Exim Bank and the exporter. NEIA is something, National Export Insurance Account. But it is not an agency, I guess it is a program.
No, my question was specific. Are there agents appointed by E.C.G.C or by somebody else who undertake issuing such policies? Maybe it is not there, I'm not sure. Because all others are very specific oriented policies. For example, home loan policy, auto policy, etc. Those are all specific ones, whereas this is not so. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Don't confuse. Note it somewhere and write it. Keep it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Good. Yeah. Now, let me come to the basic question I was explaining in that class there. Why are we more interested in exports?
So we are more interested in export to maintain our international relations, as well as it is the major income source for our economy. So we are enhancing the export.
Not only income, it is a major source of foreign exchange, which is needed for our buying from other countries.
Okay.
That is the point I was also telling there. Good. Then under this products and services in the E.C.G.C website, they have given certain details like factoring, buyer's credit cover, lines of credit cover, overseas investment insurance, customer specific covers like this. But customer specific covers and all, at least you don't have to know, but you have to know about buyer's credit cover, lines of credit cover and all. And there is one concept known as NEIA. That's what you said, na?
Yes, sir.
National Export Insurance Account has been set up by the Government of India to facilitate medium and long-term exports, which are commercially viable, considering the limitations of E.C.G.C Limited in providing adequate cover on its own and non-availability of reinsurance cover to such exporters. Keeping in view of the above said objective, NEIA, National Export Insurance Account, aims to ensure the availability of credit risk cover for projects and other high-valued exports, which are desirable from the point of view of national interest, out of which E.C.G.C is unable to underwrite at terms which will not affect the comprehensiveness of the exports. ये तो बहुत बड़ा बात है. फिर भी एक बार का, दो बार का, तीन बार आप पढ़ लीजिए, पढ़ के मन में रख लीजिए, so that you can answer this question nicely. Good. Now, please tell me, what are your strengths?
Sir, I believe that I have the very creative skills. So that are my strength. Because of that, I can easily interact with people. I can understand them. I can make them understand me. And apart from this, I believe that I'm always open to the feedbacks and critics. And after filtering them out, I work on the areas that I feel I should.
Super. Why are you not talking such nicely in that class?
Sir, because they were more of Federal Bank interviewers, so interviewees. So
you were not participating in that. Were you participating in some of the points? No. No.
Sir, I participated yesterday, but today I was exhausted and I had to give this mock also. So I was keeping my energy saved.
No. I got confused you with the candidate appearing for that. What is that?
Federal.
No, federal, and that too,
EPFO.
federal group discussion oriented. This class was not of a discussion oriented. Unless you have doubt, you are not going to open the mouth. Good. You're talking very well. You told me nicely. Yeah. I was asking you about strengths. Can you add some more strengths? You are not very strong. फिर भी थोड़ा strength add कर दो ना आपको.
ठीक है सर. सर बहुत लेंथी नहीं हो जाएगा, मतलब कितना मिनट होना चाहिए एक
maximum 45 seconds. So let me see how long you take for this particular question, which is very important. Certainly they are going to ask. Mm, no. Now, please tell me about your strengths. Start.
Sir, I believe that I'm a very creative person as my hobbies are related to creativity. So it helps me to interact with people as I have been a stage performer. And apart from this, I feel that I'm always open to the feedback and the critics given by the people. So after proper filtration, I try to work on them. I try to work on the areas in which I feel I should work. But just second.
30
Okay.
seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah, doesn't matter.
I'll add one or
No,
two more.
no. You look
Yeah.
at them. You look at them. If they are listening more, you can increase it by another half a minute because you are very good in English. Except in one place you were making some mistakes. Mm, and when the feedback is given, accept their critique. You said criticism. In that place, the word criticism should come instead of critique. I think the video is freezing. Is it freezing? I think you are not moving at all. Please shake your hand. No.
Sir, it was freezing. It was
Yeah.
freezing. Now, when I said about the feedback part, then I couldn't get you. Yeah.
Yeah. The feedback you will listen to this afterwards. Again, when the video is given to you. Uh, the wording was not correct. English, I'm talking from the angle of English. You said that I will listen to their critique instead of telling listen to their criticism.
Okay.
That is the thing. Anyhow, आप फिर एक बार सुन लीजिए, बाद में आप डिसाइड कर लीजिए, कोई तकलीफ नहीं. Good. That is your strength. Very nice. Excellent. Good. Who is your role model?
So there are two role models of mine. The very first is I myself consider as my own role model because I am the person who learned from my own mistake. I'm the person who want to become something. So I consider myself as my role model. And the second is I consider my father as my role model because the hard work he have done and yes sir. Sorry.
No. Hard work my father have done, has done.
Has done. Sorry.
And
Yeah.
that's what, no problem.
तो खुद को रोल मॉडल बोलना ठीक है या नहीं ये मेरे को थोड़ा डाउट था
I do not subscribe to it. As an old man, I do not subscribe to it. I may go with your father being considered as a role model. And when you say that, you must be able to come out with one or two of his good qualities which you want to copy, which you are copying.
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल वो भी बताना है. Then only the answer is complete. Okay, but don't worry about changing English and all. I am only correcting because you are talking very well, so I only look into the correction of English. Whereas उधर में जो बैठने वाला उन लोग तो रोज इतना आदमी से सुनते हैं, इतना करेक्ट करने का समय नहीं मिलेगा. They'll be happy if you go on be talking nicely. And furthermore, in North India, people are not that very sure, particular about good language in English, because they are more particular about good language in Hindi. Most of them, majority of them. That's right. Good. So role model, आपने आपको पिताजी के बारे में बोल सकते हैं, उनका क्या क्वालिटी आपको पसंद है. For example, his perseverance, his sincerity, hard work, then not telling lies and being loyal, something like that which you feel can be told. थोड़ा बताने से अच्छा होगा. Good.
ठीक है.
Why should we select you?
Sir, I believe that I have ample qualities to be in this particular organization. I have those leadership qualities, as in my graduation I was a part of dramatics team. So there I used to write the lyrics as well, sorry, the script, as well as I was a performer. So I was a team manager there. Apart from this, I am a very creative person and have analytical skills to think. So I
Mhm,
believe that I am the one of the good choices.
mhm. Good. Now, are you in touch with your own batchmates of your college?
Sir, with few of my batchmates I'm in touch, and with few of my batchmates I'm not in touch.
Mm. That is, you are in touch with the. Acha, did you go through the link provided by me?
Sir, I didn't go through all of the documents, but
उधर
I had.
उधर में उधर में अभी अभी हम देख रहा हूँ. There is one very good document known as E.C.G.C PO Interview 1. यहाँ पर, of course, I have downloaded from the website only. It is presented in book form, 10 pages book form. उसको पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay.
बाद में पढ़ लीजिए, अभी urgency नहीं है. And then next one, E.C.G.C PO Interview 2. यहाँ तो questions है. ये क्वेश्चन सब देखा आपने? नहीं.
सर गो थ्रू किया था मैंने 2-3 पीडीएफ से.
How many questions are there? PDF नहीं है ये तो. हम जो क्वेश्चंस
वर्ड आर्ट का एक मैंने देखा था, वर्ड में वो था.
word document.
हम्म.
What do you know about E.C.G.C? I asked you what are the vision and mission of E.C.G.C, जानते हैं?
सर एग्जैक्टली वेबसाइट पे जो लिखा था वो नहीं, बट ऐसे अपनी लैंग्वेज में बता
हाँ, अपने
सकते हैं.
लैंग्वेज
मैंने
में बता.
वेबसाइट का पढ़ा था.
अपने लैंग्वेज
सर
बता. But
इट्स मिशन इज.
it should be
यस सर.
what is given in the website. But you can change the words.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Its mission is to improve the competitiveness of the export industry by enhancing the export by
Hmm.
providing the risk assurance.
Good. Mission.
Sir, I don't exactly know the difference between vision and mission. Almost same.
What is the IRDA registration number of our ECGC? You may not know it because it is given in the bottom portion of this website. 124.
Okay.
124.
Okay, sir.
Just get to know that. That will do. Good. Actually, next question. Why do you want to join ECGC? I have not asked, but can you tell me why you want to join ECGC?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm a very young girl with enthusiasm, so it would be very honor for me if I start my career from this prestigious organization. And plus, I have the qualities like leadership management, so that would be apt for the position.
No, in fact, last year I conducted for ECGC and some people attended and they sent me questions also. I don't know where I kept them. And I think I would have posted in the videos also. In some of my
Okay.
previous year videos, it would have appeared also. Do you have the link of my videos? No.
Sir, I watched videos of your channel ECGC PO, 3 or 4 videos. पूरी मैंने देखी थी. तो
But
I am having an idea.
1 minute. ECGC, 1 minute. ECGC. There are 68 videos.
I
But
watched four.
yeah,
Almost.
one is ECGC PO mock interview. The other is tips for ensuring success. That is for everything. Importance of avoiding overcome. ECGC PO interview, buyer's line of credit. ECGC interview questions, also most common interview questions. Then ECGC PO mock interview, unlisted. Then ECGC PO mock interview guidance 31.5.
Sir, unlisted means?
Unlisted means not posted out.
Okay, you edited it after that?
No. It will be lying here only. I would not have shared it with others. Like that, it is there, but I should not have classified under ECGC. I have wrongly classified here. There are so many
Okay.
banking questions, RBI, E.C.G.C, P.O, mock interview. बहुत कुछ है जी. I can give you this link. This link will help you to see more of videos.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm giving it. But mostly it will be repetitive. But the way of answering will be different from one person to another. But that is what is to be seen by us. Understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Now, next question for you. What are the other exams you have written and appeared for interview?
Sir, I have written SBI PO last year. The mains I could not qualify by 3 marks, almost 3 marks. Then I appeared in IBPS mains interview, and the final selection I missed by 2.4.
Oh, how many marks did you score in the interview?
Sir, in interview I scored 78 marks. My mains marks was not good.
That's the reason. Because your interview performance is really good. You're answering questions with confidence. Maybe you did not answer a few questions properly about banking.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
So there were 1 or 2 questions I could not answer, but my mains marks was just 2.5 marks above the cutoff.
that is the reason. Good.
Hmm.
Very good. Very good. What is the relationship of ECGC with banks and exporters?
Sir, ECGC and banks are related. Like ECGC provided the guarantees to the bank so that they can provide the products to the exporters. And to the exporter also, ECGC provide the credit worthiness of the buyers and the country of the buyer, so that the exporter can trust and can send the material.
They give details about the buyer's
Buyer.
detail. That's good. So that way they are helping the exporters that good way. ECGC, banks and for banks, they give guarantee coverage. For exporters, they give policies. Insurance.
Okay.
Insurance in the form of policies. Good. In both ways, they are doing a good service. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And it's a very prestigious. What is the difference in between ECGC and commercial banks?
Sir, ECGC and commercial banks, the commercial banks comes under the Banking Regulation Act, but ECGC doesn't come under so.
ECGC is
It
registered.
comes under Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
And also it is coming under insurance, under the control of IRDA. It is coming under the control of IRDA. Good. Can you expand the abbreviation UIDAI? UIDAI. It's a very important thing. Everybody is having that card. Everybody is having that.
So yes, that is Unique Identification Development Authority of India.
Unique Identification Authority of India. Development is not required.
Okay.
Samajh gaya? Very good.
Yes,
I think, are you aware of these concepts like E-Aadhaar? What is E-Aadhaar?
Sir, E-Aadhaar is something that we can access on our mobile and laptop. We don't need that hard copy.
Correct. Then there is one more thing they have written, M-Aadhaar. What is M-Aadhaar?
Sir, M-Aadhaar is mobile Aadhaar, which we can access only in our mobile, but E-Aadhaar we can access in other devices too.
Oh, Baba, new thing. I am not aware of that. Good point. You told nicely.
Sir, it is like internet banking and M-banking. M-banking सिर्फ mobile में हो सकती है, internet banking हर जगह.
Who is the CEO of our UIDAI? Dr. Saurabh Garg.
Okay.
Dr. Saurabh Garg. Aadhaar so far issued 1 10 100 1000 10 லட்சம் 10 லட்சம் கோடி. What is this? 1 10 100 1000 10 லட்சம் 10 லட்சம் கோடி கோடி 100. So many, that number I am not able to understand. It's so bada hai ji. I think you can see it if I share it. How to read it? Please see what is the number you see here. Aadhaar, are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
इतना बड़ा number है?
Sir, it is which number? Aadhaar and numbers. Okay, number of Aadhaars generated. Okay.
1 10 100 1000 10 லட்சம் 10 லட்சம் கோடி 10 கோடி 100 கோடி 133 crores. Oh baba. Then
okay, you were counting. I don't understand.
No,
you're from South now, so I thought
no,
I thought what
I'm
was that?
counting in Tamil language.
Okay.
So this is pata nahi, koi baat nahi. M Aadhaar doesn't matter. You can get to see this about this later on. I came across because I got a document where some details are given. So based on that, I was asking question. Can you tell me the new recruitment pattern adopted in Indian Air Force?
So that is the Agnipath scheme.
Correct. What is that about?
Sir, Agnipath scheme, basically it will involve Agniveer. Agniveer, we will call those who will get enrolled in that course. It is a 4-year course in which they will have to serve the nation for 4 years, and they will get some decent packages as per the government.
Are women are also joining there?
Sir, I don't have idea about that.
Good, no problem.
Sir, are they joining?
I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. But I am not in favor of the government appointing people only for 4 years. After the 4 years, what will this guy do? You pay less money, no problem, but retain for a longer time. After all, but the idea with which they are doing is that they want to bring young power into the Air Force or into the army every year. Because the average age now, if you take, it is over 35 or 40. They want to reduce the average age down. So
17 to 21.
In that case, they can as well give retirement to people above 40, 45 compulsorily, which they don't want to do because they want to have people up to 65 years in top positions. So that is again another issue. Very difficult.
सर ये तो हमारा पर्सनल व्यू हो गया कि हमें पसंद नहीं आ रहा, बट इंटरव्यू में जनरली ईसीजीसी में करंट का ही पूछा जाता है, तो वहां पे कैसे प्रेजेंट करना चाहिए? वहां पे ना अपोज भी नहीं कर सकते ना, अगर कोई फेवर में होगा तो.
That is why I raised this question. Now you will have to support. Don't give any plus and minus view about that. Just
Neutral.
present it as you did now. You did very well. You did correctly.
Okay.
You presented the views. You stopped with that. That is correct. अच्छा जी, हमको ये बताओ, एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक कहाँ पर है हेडक्वार्टर्स?
सर इसका हेडक्वार्टर फिलीपींस में है, मनीला फिलीपींस.
Superb. Who is the chairperson now? Masatsugu Asakawa. You may not
Sir,
know.
these names are so tough to remember.
Masatsugu Asakawa, 10th job. I have given it in the material given to you.
Okay.
Then what is Bandhan Bank? They are known for what?
So which bank?
Bandhan Bank. Have you heard about this?
Sir, I have heard about Bandhan Bank, but I don't know exactly what
it's a bank having headquarters in Kolkata, and it was initially started for microcredit. They are known for finance to self-help groups and microcredit.
Okay.
Yeah. SpaceX, who is the CEO of SpaceX?
Sir, Elon Musk is the CEO of SpaceX.
Where is its headquarters?
So its headquarters is in California, USA.
Superb. Who is the Chief Minister of Uttarakand?
So Mr. Pushkar Singh Dhami is our Chief Minister.
Who is the Governor?
Lieutenant Gurmeet Singh.
Good. Name the cricket stadium in Uttarakand.
So cricket stadium in Uttarakhand.
Given as Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium.
So,
Can you name the two important festivals of Uttarakand?
series. One is Fool Day and the other one is Nanda Devi Mela.
Okay, you are right, but हमको दिया है Kanwad Yatra and Bissu Mela. Bissu. You perhaps you don't know. You don't know. Kanwad Yatra मतलब क्या है? Kanwad Yatra. KANVAD.
It is called कावड़ यात्रा. ये हरिद्वार साइड ज्यादा होता है. लोग मन्नत मांगते हैं, उनकी मन्नत पूरी हो जाती है तो वो पैदल आते हैं, गंगा जल ले जाते हैं, फिर अपने घर में वो गंगा जल रखते हैं.
Good.
Something like पैदल यात्रा.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies include poetry writing, storytelling. Storytelling I started in the COVID time, and I like to sketch with pen. So these are my hobbies, and spending time with my family is also one of my hobby.
Can you tell a story for me? Whatever story you have written recently, tell the storyline. 1 line, 2 lines.
So during my preparation phase, I wrote this. Ups and downs come in preparation phase. So I wrote this. This is a 4-line poem. It goes like, डर तो उसे भी लगता होगा एक बंजर जमी को खोदने में. डर तो उसे भी लगता होगा एक बंजर जमी को खोदने में. कोशिश करनी चाहिए या नहीं ये सोचने में. आखिर डाल ही देता है वो कुछ दाने अपने हाथों से. आखिर डाल ही देता है वो कुछ दाने अपने हाथों से. उभर कर फिर एक दिन आ ही जाता है एक नन्हा अंकुर मिट्टी की बाहों में.
Super.
That was it.
That's nice. I couldn't follow fully, but still I can understand. You're telling something very valuable. Good.
Sir, it was related to a farmer. He was hesitant too before sowing the seed, but eventually the result comes. So one should keep practicing and hard working.
First class. Do you have any questions? 1 minute is there.
Sir, I want to know the feedback.
But you are doing excellent. There is no need for second interview also for you. उतना अच्छा बोलते हैं तुम, फिर भी थोड़ा अच्छा से.
But I would give second interview क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा ये ECGC का पढ़ूंगी. अभी मैंने बस go through किया था, पढ़ा नहीं है डिटेल पे. तो I will go.
पढ़ने का बाद में आइएगा, हम लोग और एक बार मुलाकात करें. माने मुलाकात means
After the date will announce.
what is the meaning of मुलाकात in Hindi?
मुलाकात
means the introduction, ना?
नहीं, meeting.
Meeting. मुलाकात. We'll meet again. Which date you want?
Sir, after a week or so because SSO prelims. Sir, मुझे थोड़ा सा हटके पूछना था कि how is SSO, ESIC SSO कैसा, like you have been in industry for a long time. तो
Yeah.
ESIC SSO कैसा है?
SSO, I have not much exposure to that. But if it is government, always better.
Sir, it comes under Labor Ministry.
Oh. But pay-wise, which is good, you take that. That's all.
Sir, if I will be selected in ECGC PO, I would take it. अभी तो ऐसा थोड़ा सा lack of confidence है कि मेरे को personally ऐसा लगता है कि वहाँ पे इतने लोग आ रहे होंगे. Majorly SBI PO and all experienced लोग हैं, तो I'm a fresher. तो थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है. You
will get it. Don't worry. You come to me for again 1 or 2 more meetings. It will be good. You pay 100 only for next meeting.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sir. I will give the date for 11th for you.
Okay, sir.
11th at 5 o'clock itself. शाम को. PAYLEX first student. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That's the number.